Hey guys, in this video I'll show you a full tutorial on the BookBolt word search. So once you're logged in, come here, click on create, and then just click on BookBolt Studio. It'll redirect you to this page where you have to choose some settings. Okay, now my project type, I'll leave it as paperback cover and interior. These are some of the other options. You can go and look at that. I will name my project name as Tutorial Journal 1. Trim size 6 by 9 inches, that's okay. My interior and paper type will be black and white interior with white paper. I will leave bleed on. And page count, this is the minimum, so you need to have at least 24, so I'll stick with that. And I'll go ahead and create my project. There we go. Our project has been created. Everything is loading up and initializing. First, for now, I'll go ahead and hide the cover page. You can just slide to the left, or you can just toggle this on. Okay, make sure you press OK. And now this is what you want to do. Okay, go ahead and click OK on that. So click on page 1, and then let's first do page template. So come here, click on page templates, and here we have the interior templates library. Okay, so you want to go ahead and choose word puzzle, or you can find word search right here. If I show you here, you can choose word search standard. You can also do other word searches, right? But I'll just stick to this one, for example, the word search standard. And then you want to select which pages. I'll do 12 pages of word search, 12 pages of solutions. I'll do select from 1 to 12. Okay, toggle that on. We have 12 pages done, and I'll continue to the options. How many words do you want per puzzle? I'll leave it at 5. You can also toggle on diagonal words if you want, reverse word, right? Make sure you toggle this one on. Amazon KDP guidelines. You can choose anything you want here. You can also use a CSV file, import that there. But honestly, I am pretty happy with this. I'll go ahead and continue to the solution pages. So now I can choose a CSV file. Okay. You can also click here. You'll be able to see an example file they will go ahead and provide for you. But otherwise, you have to go ahead and add a file, right? So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Or you can just use random words, okay? And then you can use it like that. Now, this is the solution pages. Go ahead and click on submit, right? Now, let me go ahead and open this up. Let's see their example of CSV file they have for us. As you can see, I have tried to open this. Here we have. Okay, we have a bunch of files, so I'll go ahead and for now, I'll just try using this file. Try dragging and dropping that right here. So I'll just insert it directly. Okay, there we go. I added that. Now I'll go to continue to solution pages and go ahead and press submit. We do not have enough random words, so we have to add more. So I'll just remove this and make it 1 for now, just to show you for tutorial purposes, honestly, how this works. So I've done 1 word per puzzle. Now it's inserting the template. So just wait for this to be done. And here we go. We have the puzzles. And right here it says lumber, right? So if I come here to, let's say, page 13, I should be seeing the solution as well. As you can see, here we go. And if you want to spice things up even more, you can go ahead and add patterns to these. Okay, so let me show you. So come here, you can just come here and click on make a pattern. But first, what you need to do is add a image. So I can come here to Pixabay, and I can toggle this on from any color to grayscale. Okay, then go ahead and pick an image. Okay, go ahead and click on search. Let's say I like this musical thing, right? I'll go ahead and do this musical thing. I will click on that, and then this is an image now. All you want to do is click on this option to make it a pattern, press an OK, and there we go. We have it as a pattern, but now you want to come here at the top. Okay, I'll go ahead and toggle on the opacity down to about 9 looks okay. And make sure the pattern is on the lower end and the puzzle is on top. All you want to do now is right click on clone this page. They can select all except the cover page and click on clone and press OK right here. and you're pretty much set to go, and you can go ahead and download this file. Okay, really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Ninja Guides, and I'll see you guys in the next one.